ground and started choking me with both hands. Not in a way like you see on TV, when someone just squeezes your neck, but the correct way, where you jam both thumbs into someone's trachea. Couldn't breath, couldn't gasp, just felt cold and my vision started to go to television, then black. When I came to, my mom had hit him over the head with a broom. I don't remember much after that, but I'll never trust him. I was sitting in front of the television one day, when my sister walked behind me. She threw a little bouncy ball at me, but it bounced off my head, hit the television, bounced back off my head and back at her. She was so surprised that it was such a perfect shot that she decided to try again to repeat it. I was so happy that my sister was playing with me that I sit there as she threw this ball at my head trying to repeat the shot for like a half hour. My little sister looked at me dead-eyed once and told me, "You have demons in you. You need to get them out," or something along those lines. I asked her WTF she was talking about, and she just kinda went back to doing her thing. The girl was like 8, so I don't think she was trying.
Interior garage door.
All right, we got about a minute left till the market opens. All right, 30 seconds. Let's see what today has for us. Five. All right, here we go. Nasdaq with the little pop. So Nasdaq currently down 2%. S&P currently down 1.6. Nice pop on PayPal. Sorry, on Nasdaq. I'm currently looking at PayPal puts. See how much they're worth. Yeah, the puts are still worth quite a bit. Probably not going to do that for now. Nasdaq with a nice little bounce. S&P as well. Gonna wait a few minutes, see what kind of movement it wants to do, and then we'll go from there. I don't like jumping in right away just because I always end up getting faked out if I jump in early. So I'm just gonna let it start forming something, and then I'll look to get in. Big red candle right after that nice green one. Wow, big red candle on Nasdaq. That's getting ugly. I'm currently watching PayPal and Square for some puts or calls depending on what move we want to make. The reason I'm watching them is just because both of those tend to be leaders when Nasdaq sells off or when Nasdaq rallies. See, look at this. That's what I'm talking about. I want to wait a few minutes just because these big candles are going to just chop you out. They're going to fake you out. You know, you could probably, on this red candle, you could have gone short. And then what happens? Look at this big bounce. So I'm going to wait. I'll probably go short if it starts hitting this top range, which is 14,320. So we're about 100 points away from that, though. Don't know if it's going to happen. There could be one more day of selling today, and then if it holds these levels down here, this 13,745, then we can start making a move up. Yeah, these puts are too expensive for me, man. I do want to get some puts on PayPal, but Jesus, they're so expensive. Very choppy right now to start. We might make that move up to that top range of this little channel that is forming overnight. Wow. Damn. All this volatility. There you go, Nasdaq with the push. Nice. Would love to see this continue. S&P's pushing. Very nice. It's making a move back up to that upper range. Let's see if it could get rejected there at 320. It's almost there. I might go short if it starts to hit that. But at the same time, it could make a run even higher to that 400 level. It doesn't look like it will, though. It looks like it's getting rejected already. Let's see if Nasdaq wants to push up there again. Oh, Nasdaq. I would like for this to make another run. If it starts getting above that 80, you could start adding long to see if it reaches that upper level. You could add there. That was a big jump. I'm gonna add there at 88. Oh no, it's already at 70. Wow. That's ugly. Wow. That was horrible. You see how ugly you can get faked out there? See, now I want to go short, but if I short here, it's going to end up faking me out on the way up. So I'm just going to wait. That was ugly. That was an ugly fake out. I got filled out way up here at 88 and then got faked all the way down within seconds. I wanted to go short there, but man, should have never taken that long trade. Now I'm just fucking being cautious of my trade. What a shame. Let's see what this does. I am feeling bearish here, but you could easily get faked out. I got caught in this flush. It bounced up literally all the way to 300, and within a matter of seconds I was down $150. On that 5 minute, still looking to hold that EMA. We'll see though. Let's see what it does. Let's see if we get a pop back up there to that 70, 270. Nope. It's a lot of selling pressure here. I would go short, but man, like it's so fucking volatile. It's just it could easily jump up and you're down, 40 points already. I went in short at, fuck, dude, these fills are terrible because this thing's moving around so much. I went short at 5. Let's see what this could do. I'm gonna add there at 16. I need, oh no, come on. See, this is what I'm talking about. You could just, this thing is just moving around so much. This needs to sell off right here. Let's go. Needs to break below that 200. Within this next candle right here, it needs to break 200. If not, I'm getting out. There's definitely buyers here, but let's see what it does. It keeps getting smacked down, which is good. Each time it kind of go up. Spoke too soon. I could get faked out though. I think this might sell off, but I might have to get out here just because this thing could easily bounce 30, 40 points in a matter of seconds. Alright, come on. Let's break below 200 now. You keep getting smacked down. Let's just butter through 200. Come on, you're almost there. You're almost there. Oh, buyers are stepping in here though. That's unfortunate. Oh, here we go, finally. I got out there. Made back the 150 plus I'm up 50 now. That took a while though, but I do want some PayPal puts, but man, these are expensive. Why are they so expensive? Wow, big red candle. I actually would have. I got out pretty quick. I got out like at 80s, I think. Yeah, I got out into the 80s, mid to high 80s. Sell off continues. Yeah, these are extremely expensive. I might do some. What are these? Some QQQ puts. We're down $8. Let's say they get down to 35, 30. Wow, those are expensive. The sell-off continues. It could get ugly. It could be another 5% day like yesterday for Nasdaq. It's already down 2.5. If this starts to bounce back up to this level of 90, I could probably go short. Also, I'm looking on my other screen for some puts on SPY and QQQ. Would like this to bounce a little bit more though, so I could get in on some SPY or QQQ call. I mean puts. Wow, that's expensive. Damn, these are expensive, man. What's going on? I would like to see this bounce a little bit. Might do some square puts. But I want this to bounce a little bit more though before I get in on some puts. If NASDAQ starts hitting this level of 59, I'll look to get long just for like a short bounce. It might bounce though off of this bottom range, or it might even hit this support that we have here. All right, let's see. NASDAQ's selling off. Can it hit that level of, what is it again? 56. Let's see if it wants to flush down there. If it does, I'll get long just for a small contract. There it goes. Just a little lower. I'm gonna put an order in there at 57 just in case. In case it wants to flush down there. If it has a strong bounce here, I'm gonna cancel this order. I'm actually gonna lower this one to, let's do because it looks like it's gonna probably butter through that level, so we'll do like something like 48. Here we go. Let's go. Let's get a butter through. It doesn't want to. It's gonna bounce here a little bit. Let's see if this could bounce back up to 160, which is the EMA on the 5-minute chart. I feel like this though might continue to go lower as far as this morning, maybe down to 985, which has put us down over 3-4%, probably like 3%. And then at that point, I'll look to go long with some calls. PayPal calls are kind of calling my name right now. I feel like PayPal could move on the upside. The 175 calls are looking pretty good. If this sells off down to that 13,975 or so, I'll look to get some PayPal calls and Square, depending on how much Square sells off. Because yesterday we made that run all the way to about 9 a.m. Pacific time when we finally started to rally. So we still have at least another 2 hours of selling off, and maybe we could mirror yesterday. It looks like it's trying to hold here though, this levels. Let's do PayPal 175 calls. I'll buy some of those. And then we'll do some SPY. Let's do SPY 450. A little pricey, but I like these. These are just in case we sell off in the next hour or so. I'm gonna put those in there. Would like to see this sell off to, for NASDAQ, about that 13,975. S&P, I would say that, what is this, 4261. That would put us down on NASDAQ at least 3.5 to probably pushing 4%. Sell off is going on very slow. They hit that level on NASDAQ at 1453. We'll see if it'll bounce off of it or if it'll just continue to sell off through it. Next level would be on the 5 minute, would be 13,975. Which is about another 80 points, 70 points or so. I would add short there. It's gonna continue to sell off. Oh, it's getting bought up. Oh, ho, ho. Nice bounce. The sell-off was happening, but very slowly. There was definitely some buyers there trying to keep it up. Again, I would like to see the sell off down to 375. Sorry, 975. For me to start going long. Today's definitely a lot slower movement than yesterday. You guys see yesterday. It's pretty slow actually, but you would get 5-6 red candles bounce up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or so red candles bounce up. Actually, it wasn't too different. It just seems a lot slower today. I don't know why. It's an ugly candle. You could go short. I'm not, but you could. I actually might go short with one contract. I went in at 52. Just with one contract, I'm playing a little safe. Because of bounces like this. I might add another one. I got in at 59 there with that one. Let's see if this gets rejected by the EMA here on the 1 minute. The reason I got in was just because this candle got rejected pretty good. So let's say if this one gets hold below EMA and then start to break down again, make a new low. If it can't, I'll be getting out. It definitely needs to break down 38 in the next candle or two. And if it starts to break back above this this pattern, then I'll get out. But right now, it looks like it definitely wants to break down. Let's see. There's just a lot of people buying it, though. Very slow movement. Just definitely a lot of buyers in that area. Might look to get out, too. If it doesn't break it down here. Let's get down below 38 and we'll be looking good. This is holding too well. I might get out here. I got out. Took a small loss of $20 just because it's holding too well, and I kind of expected it to bounce now. This candle had to break it, man. This candle had to break it, or this one right here. I might have gotten faked out, but don't want to stick around to find out. I wanted a lot bigger sell-off just so that way we could have a bigger bounce, but it's not happening. Very slow movement. I might have gotten faked out, like I said, with this candle right here, but again, I don't want to be on the opposite side where I'm waiting to see if I'm going to get faked out and this thing ends up breaking out. I would like it to sell off a little bit more, though. Here it goes. It looks like it kind of wants to bounce a bit. You could go long. Be careful though. I might actually add here. Oh. Right as that candle started to break down. Wait, what? Wow, what was that fill? 89? Jesus. Oh my god, that's ugly, dude. I keep these candles, man. Look at this. It's getting ready to break out, and then you get one fucking big flush. Come on. This candle was looking good. You know, if you look at it, it's finally starting to break above this pattern that I had. It was getting this resistance, getting back into that pattern, and then you had to just flush down like that. That's ugly. And then not only that, my fill was at 89. Like, holy fuck. I keep getting terrible fills. Each time I send my order, it doesn't fill it right away. If you guys see, it kind of just bounces for a second. And just, I end up getting filled even worse spots. That candle was ugly though, man. It should have just kind of continued and rallied, but jeez. Should have waited a little longer to get some confirmation, but this is looking good. Broke above, it was looking good. Next fucking candle, man, just flushes. Jesus. And then the worst thing is I got filled up here at 89, and I ended up getting out here at fucking like 50s. Terrible fills. If we could get some volume in and start to sell off a bit, that'd be nice. Just wanted to sell off already so I could buy some calls. I'm looking at PayPal and some SPY calls. This could become the sell-off here. It's gonna be the next leg down. Fuck, I want to go short, but man, dude, I just keep getting faked out. This could be the next leg down. Though. Look how it curled here. Did the same thing where it kind of tried to go up and it couldn't, and it starts to break down. Let's see if this could be the next. It might also just hold this level. Gotta be careful. I think I'm just gonna wait to see if it starts to actually break down that level. If it does, I'll jump in. Because then you could get caught in this right here. There's the breakout. I'm not gonna add, I'm not gonna buy, I'm gonna wait. I'll wait for the next candle. See what this candle wants to do. Got in at 89. It's bouncing a little bit. Got out at 12. Let's see on the 5-minute chart what it could do. Let's see if it could hold that break above that EMA, or if it's gonna get rejected by that EMA on the 5-minute. All right, let's see if it's gonna get rejected by that EMA. So far, it looks like it is getting rejected. We still have, this is a new candle, so we have 5 minutes on this candle. We'll see what this candle forms. If this does hold above EMA, we could make a run up to this 180, 190 area. And if not, even all the way up to the VWAP, which is at 229. You could jump in here for a nice breakout. Let's see if it does it. Five-minute chart looks beautiful. I jumped in there at 38. Let's see if this could break out. Adding there at 31. Let's see if these buyers could pump it up. Let's get it. Oh no, it's coming back down. It's alright. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see if these buyers could take it up. If these buyers could take it up above 40, we'll definitely see it move back to 280. Oh no. I got in a little too early there. Might feel terrible spot, but it's alright. I'm gonna get out here though. If this candle doesn't hold, I will get out. I need this candle to bounce. I'm gonna add there at 8 at 108. Expecting to bounce. Let's see if we could get it. Okay, let's see this next candle. Let's see what this one could do. Let's see if the buyers will start to step in here above 40. And then we could possibly make a move all the way up to above 280. Alright, let's see. Let's get that push up there. Struggling a little bit. Let's get some buyers to step in. Oh, that's no bueno. There's too many sellers trying to hold it below that 5-minute EMA. Let's see, will this candle do it? This probably can be the break it or make it. Let's get above 40 and ultimately 50. Come on, let's go. Let's get some volume in there. Volume's low. Let's get some buyers. Here we go. Oh my god. Keeps getting just smacked down. 21, come on, dude. Those were terrible fills. Oh my god, these fills are just pissing me off. Like, TD Ameritrade has terrible fills. I sent that in at 27 and somehow got filled at 21. Like, what? I'm gonna go short there. This failed to fucking break twice or 3 times here with these 3 candles. So I don't think this is gonna break up above anymore. I'm gonna go short there. 5-minute candle needs to hold below that EMA or currently in at 11. Let's see this breakdown. Back down to 80. I'm out there. Like, it'd been nice, man. If that broke out, that could have been nice. But this struggled way too hard, so I knew I had to go short there. I might continue to add here on the shorts. Let's see if it wants to bounce a little bit. Give me bounce back up to the EMA, which is going to be 100. Give me a bounce back up to the EMA. No, it's not going to give it to me. But the 5-minute chart, I was just that trade was basically based off the 5-minute. I saw the new candle forming here on the 5-minute. I saw that it was getting rejected by the EMA, and then I was in there long, 4 candles, and it failed to kind of get out. So I was like, it's most likely gonna break down here now. It couldn't get above that 50 level. Ooh, I might go short here. Oh, do I want to do it? I might go short here. 1 contract. It could still bounce a little bit more to 20, so that's why I'm kind of waiting. Oh no, couldn't do it. Oh, this might be it right here. Might be doing it. Or no. What a joke. GameStop. All these meme stocks are green today. GameStop's up 2%. AMC. Oh, AMC's down. Bed Bath & Beyond up 1.8. Normally I would go short here. 1 minute chart. Yeah, look at that. The way it just gets slammed down. Then the 5-minute chart is looking kind of nice. As long as it holds below that EMA. You know, where were these buyers at when we were right here? We needed those buyers, but they were missing. At this point, I'll probably go short below 88. And long, I honestly wouldn't go long but until like 30 or so once it starts showing me a little bit of life. So right now the short level is going to be 88. The long level is going to be above 30. Volume is still dying down here though. Like the last 20 minutes, 15 minutes, volume has been going down. Alright, let's see if this starts to break down here. Alright, that's I was supposed to go short 88. I was looking at my phone though. I'm gonna go short there, 87. I will add 1 more if it bounces again here. I added there at 98. Expecting this to break down below 70. Come on, let's see this sell off a little bit. Oh, it's holding here, I guess. Oh no. I'm actually gonna go long here. This is where it's gonna start to get a nice bounce. Let's see. I went in long at 28 with one contract only. I did bring down my size. I don't know if you guys noticed, but brought down my size. Damn, I lost fucking $100 there. Jesus. Nice. Ah, I didn't add that second contract that I wanted to add. Let's see if this pulls back, like a micro pullback. If we get a micro pullback, I'll add more. Like that. I added more at 46. Let's see if this will continue to push. A push up to 80 would be nice, which would be like this level right here that we have. Let's go. We got to get some more volume like we did on the last candle. There you go. But let's see the push. Let's get to 80. Wow, it's having trouble there. I'm gonna get out. It's probably gonna make the push, but oh, it's just kind of fighting there. There you go. Those sellers are just stepping in, man. The movement that we're getting is not like clear and just there's no follow through, like, you know. This is gonna make a move up to that 80 though. They're just taking too long. There you go. That's the move we expected right there. There it goes, hit 80 or hit 79. And it's going above that. Oh my god. That would have been nice to stay in, but again, the movement was just too slow. We can see a push up to 225 here, which is the VWAP. Very nice push. Unfortunately for us, we were scared. Got out at 50 here on this candle just because it looked like it was having trouble. That's alright though. It did make that move that we were expecting. Very nice move to the VWAP. 225 and we'll start getting short just for a small rejection. Let's see if we can get up there. Just one little push. One more little push. And we'll start to add. Very big green candle on this 5-minute chart. That's what we're looking for right there. That's that little sell-off we're looking for. Just 10 points or so, but happened about one candle low too early. I expected us to push a little higher. It's alright. This could be the little relief. That way it could continue to make another high. We will see though. Would this be the next push? Let's find out. You could start getting long at the top of this once it starts to reach that 209 if it does it in this candle or the next one. Just for another push up to like 240 maybe. If it has the momentum and the volume. All right, let's see if we get this bounce here. I'll start to add once it starts to break maybe 200, or I might wait until it starts to make a new high for the push up to like 240 or just 230, honestly. Looking very weak though right now. Gotta be patient. Don't want to jump in too early. Damn, this COVID cough is not leaving me. Let's see if we can hold this EMA here and then make another push up. Let's see. Let's see. It's not looking too bad right now, I'm not gonna lie. It's holding pretty well. And as I say, that starts to break down. Alright. I got in there at 202 with one contract only. If it starts to break above this right here, I got in at 207. Let's see if we could push up to 230. I got out there at 21. I got one of the contracts out. Oh my god, what is that? Big rejection at the VWAP. Let's get a bounce back up so I could get out of this contract. That was ugly. Can we get a bounce back up so I could get out of this contract? Just a small bounce. Wow, that was ugly. Jesus. Holy fuck. Y'all saw how fast that shit got knocked down, and look at that. Big red. You see what I'm talking about? All the moves that are green are so slow with zero volume, and then these red ones are so quick with a lot more volume. That was ugly though. I went short there at 61. Let's see if we could continue to sell off a bit more. I did that mainly just from that big sell off that we had up here, that big rejection. So it's the only reason I got in on that one. Got out there. It's just one contract. Holy fuck though, that rejection was ugly. That shit was horrific. I didn't even have time to get out of my contracts for this. We could see it move all the way back down to the lows. Let's see if it holds. If it could push back up to that EMA and get rejected. I'm gonna wait for the next 5-minute candle to form. Let's see what it wants to do. We have about 2 more minutes for that candle to start forming. We'll see if this one could close below the EMA. If it does, and then the next candle starts to kind of push down again, I can see us pushing back down to the support that we have here. We got 1 more minute for this 5-minute candle to close. Let's see if it closes below that EMA. See, at this point, you could go short. My only fear is that this actually ends up pushing up like this and closing above that 5-minute, and then we end up just kind of bouncing again. That's the only thing I'm kind of watching out for. You see this? That's what's scary. Let's see if it gets rejected on the 1 minute though. Because if it does, we're about to close in about 20 seconds on the 5-minute. Alright, let's see. Alright, it's going to close right there. Let's see what it does. I closed right at the EMA, so this could honestly still have some hope to bounce up. It's unfortunate. I wanted this to sell off a lot more today, so I could pick up some SPY puts, NASDAQ call. I mean, some SPY calls for tomorrow. Nice candle. You could get short here, jump in short. And I'm gonna jump in with one contract there at 26. Let's see if we can make that move down. I'm gonna add there at 32. Oh no! That got sucked up pretty quick. Nice follow up candle there. Let's see if this could continue, man. This needs to break below 120 for us to be looking good. It's a nice candle. Let's continue though. The longer it stays here, the more I'm thinking it's gonna bounce up. So we need to start breaking that at 120. Either this candle or the next one without us breaking above that EMA anymore. Ah man, this is catching some support here. I don't like it. Don't like it. The thing though about these candles is that it will catch some support, but then the next candle is red, big red, you know? Sells off quick. It's been selling off a lot quicker than it does get bought up. Alright, let's see if this candle could break below 120. Oh my god, see what I'm talking about? They get bought up right there. Alright, let's just be patient with it. Oh no. Is this candle gonna break above? Or is it gonna fake me out? Come on, this candle needs to come on. Let's break down. Let's break down. Below 120. Oh my god. If it starts to break above higher right here, we're getting out. No, it needs to break down before I get out. Do not stay above that EMA or I'm getting out. Ooh. It's crucial right here. Come on, let's turn red, turn red. Stay down, no, stay down. Let's see this red candle. There you go. Come on, let's get a flush. Let's get a flush. Below 120. Come on, you rejected so many times up there. Let's get a flush now. Do not hold right now. You want to sell off. There you go. Come on, let's get a break. Let's get a break of 120. This thing's holding a little too well, man. I'm gonna have to get out. Oh my god, dude. I keep giving up all my gains. I gave up another $100 there again. Jesus, I need to stop. And now I'm gonna fucking... It's gonna fucking break down right now, watch. It's just too fucking choppy, bro. Look at this. I just got faked out. It's fucking ridiculous. This could go long though. I might add to go long. If this candle could start breaking above 55, I'll get out. I mean, I'll jump in, sorry. I'll jump in long. Especially on that 5 minute. Got in at 55. Let's see if this start pushing. There you go. Let's go. Let's make a move back up to 200. It's a nice move. Got out there at 86. Jeez. I keep going back and forth. I go from 200 back down 200, 200 back down 200. S&P's looking good actually. If it could break above that VWAP, this one would be looking good. Alright, I'm probably going to just be here for about 10-15 more minutes and then I'm going to dip. There's no point of me sitting here and over trading, giving back my profits. There it goes. It's gonna break above that VWAP right here. This is gonna be the move. S&P is looking good too. Or is it gonna get rejected there twice? I think we're gonna break above. I would like this to break down actually, just because I'm trying to buy some puts. I mean some calls on SPY and PayPal. I would like this to sell off back to the lows and then kind of hold this area, start to bounce again. But hey, we'll see. And then we're like a big green day tomorrow. A nice 3% day for SPY. It got rejected that twice already. If you guys can see on the 1 minute chart, got rejected on the VWAP. 5 minute chart got rejected on the VWAP. So I think it's gonna make another run to it. Let's see if it can break out of it. Just be patient with it. All right, here he goes. Here goes the bounce. Can we do it? Can we break above? Ooh, I want to add here so bad. I'm gonna add one there just because I have some FOMO. Oh, that was terrible. I added there again at 11. I'm in with 2. Let's get this break. Oh no. That's not good. I'm gonna add one more at 1 at 201. Come on. You gotta break with this candle. If it doesn't, it's gonna get ugly. Oh, fuck me, dude. I got fucking faked out. Come on. This 5 minute candle needs to break out. We have 2 more minutes on this 5 minute candle. Needs to break above that VWAP. Oh, dude. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can break out of this shit. Let's break above that VWAP and up to the 40s. Come on, let's do it right here. This is the candle. This is the candle. Has to do it. This is a candle. There you go. There you fucking go. You monster. I got 2 there. I'm waiting. I'm gonna let one more run in case this wants to rally more up to the 60s. All right, let's see. This could easily rally up to 60. Oh, it's getting stuck. You could jump in here on this red candle. It's broken above the VWAP, so let's see if it can start to push up above 60. You could jump in there for that little pullback. If it is a little pullback, we'll see. I would do just small precision, but I'm still holding this one. Let's see if we could get another push. I added there. Let's get the push. Oh, it's getting stuck. It doesn't want to do it. Come on. Let's get the push. Let's get the push up to 60. I mean, it still looks good. It still looks good. It still looks good. It's holding above that VWAP. Let's see if this candle could do it now. Or is it going to sell off? Oh, shit. Let's get it. Let's bounce. Let's get it. Let's push up there at 60. It's taking a little too long, but I know it wants to do it. Remember, the moves up today have been very slow. So this could actually continue to push. It just might take a few candles, though. This candle needs to close green. You got 30 seconds on it still, though. Come on, where are the buyers at? Let's get it. I know there has to be some dip buyers right there getting in. Yo, what just happened? My screen froze. Oh, I got scared. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's push. Come on, 7 seconds. Oh no. No. Oh my god, that was such a big red, bro. Dude, how? How do I go from $400 up to only 250? How does that candle bring me down 150 with two fucking... Wow. That is ridiculous. I'm only in with 2 contracts. Holy fuck, and it brings me down that much? That's so fucking depressing, bro. I'm up 400 and I fucking give back everything every fucking time, dude. I fucking do this shit. Ah, it's frustrating. It just, dude, these moves are so fucking slow. Like every time it makes a fucking green candle, it's so slow though. It can't fucking hold it. Green candle, big red, big red. Look at this. You make a green candle, big red. It just, oh my god. I kind of want to just fucking go short here now. Because I don't think this thing's going to hold at all. Or it fucking will hold and make the fucking new high that I've been waiting for, but it didn't want to fucking have the momentum earlier. That's so fucking frustrating. I will go short though here. If this doesn't hold at all. I went short there at 97. Pretty terrible fill, literally at the bottom of that candle, but I'm expecting this to sell off. I'm going to add there at 01. I'm going to add there at 7. Let's get a breakdown below 78. There, I got out. Holy fuck, I'm done. Alright, I'm done. If I stay here longer, I'm gonna just keep over trading. And it's not gonna be good, so I think I'm just gonna call it there. Currently up 404 with 50 cents. Not bad. Could have had this profit with a lot less trades. I traded a lot, and I just kept going back and forth. I kept making some profit, giving it back, making profit, giving it back. So I'm just gonna stop there. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. Hope you guys all had a good day trading too. See you guys tomorrow morning for the next stream. Have a good one.